What's up mga papi? Happy Monday. So what happens to your body after running for 30 days? Real talk lang. First, of course, your breathing gets easier. Yung dating hingaling ka agad, after a few weeks, mas okay ka na. Mas kaya mo na. Second, mas maganda yung tulog mo. Mas mabilis kang makatulog. Mas mahimbing kahit pagod ka. Good tired mga papi. Pangatlo, yung cravings natin, it goes down. Mas stable ang energy natin. Kaya hindi tayo biglang nagugutom. Mababawasan ang sugar crush. And yes, your legs get stronger. Your heart gets healthier. And your mood, mas kalmado. Mas positive. Kaya mas madaling mag-choose kindness. So in summary, after 30 days, hindi ka lang pumapayat. You feel lighter inside and out. So try it for a month and then tell me kung pareho tayo na experience. Yun lang. Happy Monday ulit. Run, 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 Orcovia. Eee!